Copy tasks content and copy previous. A task is a job handed over from a treatment partner to the next step treatment partner to provide the necessary RepTool information for the fraction delivered to him. Videos on the work with tasks are planned under for reporters. As the RepTool administrator, you may decide about it if task contents are copied with a report or not. In principle, a task is given for the delivery of a specific fraction in a definite time period, and the next step treatment partner approves with fulfilling the task that he has received the V fraction and what he has done with it. So, copying the task content with copying the report is not correct in many cases. The other case may be that the treatment operator sends the same fraction for a long period to the same next step operator, and the fraction, all processes and results stay the same. In this case, copying the task content makes life easier. If you choose to copy the task contents always, you may have to delete critical task results manually and ask for new approving data from the next step operator. You have to confirm your choice by using the Submit button.